If you've ever needed to convert an M4A file to MP3 in Audacity, this tutorial will walk you through the full process step by step. Whether you're working with music, a voice recording, or a podcast clip, Audacity makes it easy to open your file, export it in the right format, and keep the quality as high as possible. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Let's start with the first part, which is importing the M4A file into Audacity. Open Audacity on your computer, then go to the top menu and click File, then choose Open. From there, browse to the location of your M4A file, select it, and click Open. Audacity will begin loading the audio into the timeline so you can work with it. Now, if you see an error message that says Audacity attempted to use FFmpeg, don't worry. That just means Audacity needs an additional library to open certain file formats like M4A. To fix that, go to Edit, then Preferences, then Libraries. In that section, you'll be able to install or locate the FFmpeg library so Audacity can properly read the file. Once that's set up, you can return to your project and import the M4A file again without issues. After your audio is successfully imported, the next step is exporting it as an MP3. To do that, click File at the top again, then hover over Export Audio. You'll see the export window appear, and this is where you'll choose the output format for your converted file. In the Format drop-down menu, select MP3 files. This tells Audacity that you want the final output to be saved as an MP3 instead of M4A. Once the correct format is selected, you can move on to the quality settings. For the best results, find bitrate mode and set it to constant. Then locate quality and choose 320 kilobits per second. This gives you the highest possible sound quality for your new MP3 file and is usually the best choice if you want to preserve clarity. After that, look for channel mode and set it to joint stereo. That is a solid setting for most audio files and helps keep the sound balanced in the exported MP3. Now it's time to save the file. Type a name for your MP3 in the file name box so you can easily recognize it later. Then select the folder where you want the file to be saved. This could be your desktop, downloads folder, or any project folder you prefer. Once everything looks good, click Export. Audacity will process the file and save it as an MP3 using the settings you selected. When it finishes, you'll have your converted MP3 file ready to use, share, upload, or edit in other software, and that's it. You've now learned how to convert M4A to MP3 in Audacity quickly and with high quality settings. If this tutorial saved you time, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out more helpful software guides coming soon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.